Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're back! Sorry we missed last week. You would have understood if you were in our house why we did not do a show. We're going to start with Country Rose by Lella Boutique. It's beautiful. I will show you a sample we have as we walk around the store here. Super sweet. Love it. Then we have a new pattern for you. This is, hold on, I just forgot the first word. Modern Chalet Quilt. All right, so that has a couple of sizes, baby and throw on there. Then we have a couple other patterns. We have Lofty and the Mod Diamond Quilt. Doing kits of both of those soon. And Dot Dash. No kit of Dot Dash. Sorry. Let's go around this way first, and then we'll head to the front room. We have a blender line by Robert Kaufman called Quilter's Linen. So it is 100% cotton quilting fabric, but it's called Quilter's Linen because it gives that illusion. All right, I'm gonna go right under him and sneak this way. All right, put that down, I don't need it. We have, this is Rosette. Oh, it's got some fun bling. So you have these four here, which are like the smaller prints, and then look at those. I mean, don't you just want a bag? I want a bag made out of these. I think that they are stunning. Oh, okay. Then here we have Horizon, but this is another Robert Kaufman. It kind of gives that like Southwesty vibe a little. You know how we feel about all things Southwest around here. And then by Zen Chic, we got a few bolts of the new line, Lazy Afternoon. And if you could feel these, you're just going to want to be lazy and be cozy in them. But first you have to make a quilt with them, okay? Yeah, I know. Where am I going next? Pre-cuts. We got some pre-cuts for you. We have the Flower Farm by Bunny Hill Design. We just have the charms of these, and then we have 5 bolts I'm going to show you as well. Then this is Wild Meadow. We have the charms and the layer cakes. No fabric yet in for this. This is Sweet Fire Road. This is our Lella Boutique Country Rose sample. So this uses a charm pack, and it's out of the one charm pack book. Super cute cottages. Then we have a Moda line with our, oh, what's this one called? Alphabets. ABC. Alphabets. What is it? ABC,
XYZ, Stacy.
Oh, okay. So I wasn't totally off with the ABC, guys. How adorable is this panel? Look at that. How cute is that? And then Mom and I very strategically bought these things, friends. Okay. You could put this as border. Both of these are great backing. And how fun would that be for binding? Yes, I know. I know. All right, the 5 from the Bunny Hill Design, the Flower Farm, are right here. Stunning little additions to our primitive area. I like them. And since we're already getting cold weather here, if you're like, whoa, I want spring, you can get that. Oh, wait, was that all?
That was all.
Oh, like walking up somewhere. I don't know. All right, great. That was all. Okay, but we are live this Sunday, 3 p.m. We'll be back on the show. And then next week, if you are local-ish to the Dayton Wright State area, we are actually going to be at the Ohio One Stop Shop Hop at Nutter Center at Wright State on Friday and Saturday. So look that up. I think that's all the things. Happy quilting. Bye.